Good YouTube? Back, man. Today I got some Thunder 4s, baby. You know, I got my work cut out for me today, man. Y'all can see we got a lot of activity going on. What's gonna be happening with this shoe, man. Let me get my face out of there so we can focus on the damage that it's done right now. Oh my goodness. So today we got some Thunder 4s that we gotta clean. A customer, sent them out to me. This is Instagram right here. Shouts out to you for, trusting me with your shoes and everything like that, know what's going on. But I'm gonna put this shoe to the side. This is the shoe we're gonna be tackling for the before and after. We're gonna get this shoe together. So I ain't gonna waste no time for y'all. Before we get started though, make sure y'all like, subscribe, drop a little comment if you want to. Your shoes don't stink though. They may look a little crazy. I had some stinky ass shoes before in my life. Alright, shoe strings is out, shoe tree is in. We're gonna use this brush here and try to brush off any dirt that's already on top. And you know what I'm saying, I don't wanna wash it into the shoe. So, any dust, if it is any that we can't see with the naked eye, you just need to brush it off. I recommend everybody do this, no matter how clean or how dirty the shoe is. Let's give it a little brush first. Soft brush, let's get it. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna let this sit on here for a little minute. But while that's sitting on there, I'm gonna go ahead and try to scrub the inside so we can get the sock liner or whatever it is, the inside stocking, whatever you want to call it, get it back nice and yellow, back to its color. Or just even just having the cream, want to have it smelling fresh. All right, next, what we're gonna do is we try to use the medium brush, try to dig a little deeper into the fabric or whatever. Try to get some of these stains out. These stains acting real tough right now. You're gonna see though. You're gonna see if I'm a match for them or they're a match for me. And we cleaned a little bit of it with the medium brush. Y'all can see the toe getting a little better. We're gonna dig a little deeper. I feel like the washing machine really gonna take care of a lot of my problems here. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the bottom. We're gonna scrub down the bottom. Make sure we get get everything up out of there. So I've been standing up this whole time, but y'all know I gotta stand up when it's time to scrub the bottom, but this shoe been a little rough. So back from cleaning the bottom, and I did rinse it while I just got caught up in the midst of cleaning them. And like forgetting I was recording a video, so I didn't show, what I'm saying, me rinsing them, but I rinsed them in the sink. For those of you that's gonna ask, I rinsed it in the sink a little bit just to give it a little bit of a wash before I put it in the washing machine, just to kind of loosen up everything else. And with the type of material the shoe is, I don't want to have like that dirt that sit on top of it too long, but then it would just sit on top of the shoe. But I'm about to clean these shoestrings and get this sole a little bit of a little scrub, then we're gonna put them in the washing machine. What's up, people? We back after the wash. This is day 2. I had to let it dry, of course. As y'all can see, we back in business. We got like all of them little super dirt marks and whatever. But, this is where the mink will come in because the shoes, don't get me wrong, the shoes are a little ashy. And before y'all say anything, you put water on them, extra all this, there was no way I was gonna clean that shoe without no type of H2O. I tried to use my eraser, like my suede eraser, but that wasn't doing nothing. It wasn't digging deep into the material. So you gotta go, but ultimately the people, they just want their shoes clean, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? But what I'm gonna do now, cause it's like some little lint balls inside. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like some lint balls and stuff. So I'm finna use my lint shaver. This little device right here. You can get this at like Walmart for like maybe like $1 or $2. No, I lied. Like $3 to $5. $3 to $5. You feel me? If you just gonna shave the inside of all these little lint balls that's in here. Okay, I think we're done with that. Look at the shoestring. The shoestrings came out so perfect. As y'all remember, the shoestrings is all super dirty. Now they all back nice and yellow. You feel me? So now we're about to take the mink oil. Y'all see how it's kind of ashy and stuff now? This mink oil gonna bring it back to its, you know what I'm saying? To its real color. And it's gonna sit there. And it's also like a water repellent for like when it rains and everything like that. So I'm finna just gonna get us a little bit of leaven. You can see it. That's okay though. We want it to get a little darker to bring back its color and everything like that. So lift this up. Okay, I think that's enough. Ain't gonna get much more, but it's looking good though. It's back yellow. So what I'm doing now is I'm pretty much just brushing it in. We're gonna try to make this back nice and soft in the material. I'm gonna go over it one more time. This shoe been through a lot of wear and tear. So we're gonna, after this, we're gonna put it back on there one more time. Just to let it sit after the brush in. After, you know, we brushing it in. Now for round 2. I'm gonna need more mink oil after these shoes. Anything for the customer. If it's right. Alright, it's all on my hand. It's all good. So what I'm about to do now, pretty much, we're about to put the shoestrings in here. We're gonna do the before and after, then we're gonna close out. This is the before and after. Y'all can see a big difference already. Look at the shoestrings on these, look at the shoestrings on that. But this is before and after, man, the side by side. Let me just show y'all. Oh, show y'all them joints up close. You see we got everything off of this shoe. And this shoe is it's toe up, man. It's toe up. Ain't no better way to put it. You feel me? We got some deformation on the toe box. You see me, it's kind of caved in. But it's all good though. This is gonna get us on day when it's time to clean. You feel me? Shoestrings. Even the inside of the shoe. The sock line a little. Opposed to this shoe, we all good. We all good everywhere. You feel me? We got the midsole looking back. Oh, that mink gonna put that nice finish on it too, no cap. I kinda like cleaning foes for some odd reason. But you feel me? Everything is back, everything. Got the bottoms. I like cleaning the bottoms to kind of tell the story when everything else not telling the story. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to this video. You don't want to miss the next one. I don't know what the fuck I was gonna say. was closing remarks. You made a move, could've made a move. Knew I'd be with you. It's too late to pursue.